Yesterday, October 21st, 2025, the highly anticipated murder trial of Hlabirwa Rassie Nkuna took another shocking turn. Just as the trial was about to begin, Nkuna fired his lawyer, saying he had no confidence in him, and then complained about the interpreter, claiming he didn't understand the dialect. That forced Judge Lindiwe Vuyeka to postpone the case to Friday, October 24th, leaving the families of Hilary Kadi and Nonkululeko Nkosi heartbroken once again. EFF members were in court with Godrich Kadi, who called Nkuna's move a delaying tactic meant to stall justice. But this isn't the first time Nkuna has pulled something like this. Before Hilary's murder in April 2022, Nkuna was already a wanted man for unaliving a police officer, Sergeant Preeti Mazibuko, and his sister, Marcia Mazibuko, his girlfriend. According to an official Hawks media statement, Nkuna shot both women after an argument and fled the scene. A warrant of his arrest was issued on March 25th, 2022, and the Hawks warned the public he was armed and dangerous. Just weeks later, Hilary Kadi's body was found in a plantation near Sabi. She had been assaulted and shot, and her child left behind. Now, in 2025, Nkuna faces 12 charges, including 2 counts of murder, abduction, and robbery. He's already serving 2 life sentences as a convicted serial killer, but every delay feels like another wound to the family still waiting for justice. From being a wanted man in 2022, a convicted killer in 2023, and still playing games in 2025, the question remains, when will justice finally be served? With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.